Manual Auto. Before I start the presentation, I'm Cadet Arielle Nening from BSMT 3Y2-2A, and I'm going to demonstrate the change over of steering from manual to auto. As you can see, this is the control panel, and first thing to do is set the auto steering control and set the pointer to the course to be steered. Second, observe the rudder indicator. Third, keep the rudder exactly off amidship. Fourth, switch on the off-course alarm. Fifth, observe steering and compare the gyro and magnetic compass. And the last is to record the readings. Second, auto to manual. Now I will demonstrate how to change the steering of auto to manual. First, put the rudder at amidship. Second, switch to manual. And last, hold them and steer by hand. And that's my demonstration on how to change over steering from auto to manual and vice versa. Thank you.